Hi friends and family, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Zindle Gama. Please make this your permanent YouTube home by clicking the subscribe and the notification bell down below. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, talk to me in the comment section, and share this video with your friends and family. So today, in this video, I'll be doing the bubble braid. It's not a braid, it's a bubble ponytail hairstyle. So for this hairstyle, I actually used just one pack of Molly hair. I used a little bit of gold string for decoration purposes. I didn't actually lay my hair, just okay. And today my hair kind of matches the texture of the Molly hair that I'm using, and then you just need hair ties. So I used about 6 hair ties, and you need to get the black hair ties, or if you want, you can get, you know, those glitter ones that have a bit of color in between them. But don't try to go for like a blue hair tie, because unfortunately it will show through in your hair and it won't look as nice or as neat. So yeah, so this tutorial is just going to be about how I achieved this ponytail, this braid. Yeah, so if you're interested, please stay tuned, enjoy this video, and stay safe, take care of yourself. Yeah, guys. So I'm going to start by tying my hair up at the top of my head, and I usually part it into 2 sections. I don't just put my hair up at the top of my head. So you want to take your muddy hair, Angani, you took out like the hair bands that were in the middle, separating the hair into 2 sides. So you want to keep this bubble, and that's going to be like your first bubble, and then you want to create a bubble. So you're going to take your muddy hair and you basically want to cover your natural hair, right? So that's what creates the bubble. So you want to take the molly hair, spread it across, and then tuck some hair under, and that's your first bubble, right? Okay, and then take some hair, flip it over, take some hair, flip it over, spread it out, and then this is going to be your first bubble right here. And then you want to make sure that you're taking black hair bands. So I actually tried this style before with the same Molly hair, and this is why the Molly hair is acting a bit funny. And so you want to make sure that you're using black rubber bands. And so for the first style, I used blue rubber bands, not rubber bands, but hair bands. And it actually showed when I was done. It wasn't even like light blue or anything. It was just navy blue hair bands, and they showed, and I didn't like it. So then I had to get black hair bands. So you need to start this hairstyle with black hair bands. So the first bubble is going to start over here. So you want to tie the hair. And you're going to create more bubbles, and keep the bubbles the same size. And then to create your bubble, you actually want to start putting the hair at the bottom and fluffing out this one like so. When you come to the end of your hair, you will have space left over for 2 bubbles, and what you want to do is you want to do this, right? So that's going to be your second to last bubble. You want to do that, and then you want to, the hairs at the bottom, or the bubble at the bottom, you want to just carefully wrap it like that. So you don't really want to fold it over like this, because this is a bit untidy, like you have some hair sticking out on this side, right? So you want to kind of twist, but not too tightly, and then bring it in, so that kind of gathers all the hair for you and there are no bits that are sticking in. And then if you want to fix it later on, you can just keep tucking everything in. Right, you have your ponytail done. What you mean?